Hi, we're Code Monkeys, and this is our client, Reed Hampton. He's the system administrator of the Student Engineers Council. And sort of the main idea for our project was we're taking aspects of the Student Engineers Council's main website and we're restructuring those features to be dynamic instead of static. So just to quickly run through them, we have the news, the committees, the sponsors, the events, and the executive council. And basically what we've done is we've allowed an administrator to log in through the website and make changes to the content without actually having to go into the HTML and changing it, hard coding it. So here we're going to log in through the administrator portal. We're going to go manage our sponsors, and we'll begin by deleting one of the currently existing sponsors. And now we're going to go back and, well, we're going to check our changes first. You'll see a sponsor has been removed. And now what we're going to do is go in and add a new sponsor. Small startup by the name of HP. They're a platinum, so the name's HP, the description is there. You can type with her.
Yeah, fix it.
Okay. So the description's there, the type is platinum, and we also included a link to the sponsor, as well as an image. Okay, we're going to create that sponsor and look at our changes. So you can see it's updated dynamically. And the last thing we're going to do is go in and edit that sponsor that we just created. So we'll just change the description. And update. And if you look on the site,
Phillips 66 now has no description, which is what it was edited to on the sponsors page. So that's some awesome work there.
and I'm going to leave you guys with Reed Hampton, and he's going to go through some interview questions.
All right, Reed. So, do you have any questions regarding the dynamic website that you asked for?
Overall, it seems like that y'all have done an excellent job delivering on what we were looking for with this SEC project. The one question that I do have is when y'all went to the admin login page, where are those administrator logins stored and how can we get that information?
So those login information are actually stored under the members. So here you can find it's the administrator and its email is administrator. Of course you can't see the password just for privacy purposes and security. And all passwords are hashed.
Perfect. That sounds excellent. Thank you very much.
All right, moving on to the next question. Do you think we were able to meet all the expectations that you were hoping for?
I definitely think so. Going into this project, our goal was to see if we can make this landing page a more dynamic website. So that way every semester we wouldn't have to go through and edit individual aspects of this website. And as I can see and is blatantly obvious here, all of the aspects of the site that need to be available for dynamic change can be changed easily and intuitively.
All right, cool. Do you think we need to improve anything on the current project?
Overall, working with y'all throughout this last semester, I think that the biggest area for improvement for this team and probably for many groups that work on similar projects is version control and documentation throughout the stage. There were times during this project where I sort of felt lost or I wasn't entirely sure of how well progress was going throughout this project. It is obviously has come together quite well in the end, but throughout the process it would have been nice to be kept up to date and have proper version control throughout all of the iterations.
Alright, I noted. Do you think we need to add any features you want to see implemented in the future?
The only feature that I can see being added in the future would be on the admin side, the back-end side. A lot of the people who will be using this are not tech-savvy individuals, and so it would be nice to have it be a little bit more intuitive, maybe with the SEC website with just gear icons next to each dynamic aspect that can be changed. That way, it's a little bit easier and more intuitive for our non-tech-savvy members to be able to identify what needs to be changed and to know how and where to change those aspects.
Alright, any other final remarks, questions?
I think that covers pretty much everything, and I'm really grateful for all the great work that y'all have put into this project, and I'm excited to be able to implement this, and I'm sure that it will come to be an invaluable aspect of the SEC Systems Administration Committee.
Reno, it's a pleasure having you as our client.
Thank you very much.